Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, your Pilates guide. I've been teaching Pilates since 2012, and I started onlinepilatesclasses.com in 2018, a place where we have hundreds of tutorials on Pilates and online Pilates classes. See, I believe that every single person should be doing 30 minutes of Pilates a day. Not only makes you stronger, but it actually makes you feel better with yourself. It allows you to be a better friend, family member, coworker, hit those goals you have for yourself, not just fitness, but also in your life. And here on this channel, what you'll get is new tutorials every single week, at least 3. One of those is live. You can join us and ask us any questions you want. You also will hear about all of our upcoming classes and workshops. And we really do hope that you check out the onlinepilatesclasses.com community, where we have new classes every single week that help hold you accountable, help keep you consistent, not just so that you hit those Pilates goals, but those life goals you have for yourself as well. And we have that amazing community that will help keep you inspired and support you in everything that you do. So check us out at onlinepilatesclasses.com and enjoy the tutorials we have here. If you don't see what you're looking for, feel free to comment and we'll make sure that we get something filmed for you to answer the question that you have. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you next time.